Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel NBD credit card. So all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, this is the website, official website. On this website you can see, like, before your cancellation, your primary and supplementary credit card, take a look at range of card and find out something suits you. So this is not for you, and you need to cancel your account by dialing this number. As you can see, you need to contact on this number, and once you get connected and once you dial this number, when the prompt say, you need to say like cancel credit card, and that's it. And once they receive your request from your site, and within 4 working days they will call you back, and on the when they call you, you need to confirm some details, and once you confirm your identity, and they will cancel your card very easily. But make sure when you canceling your account, ask them to confirmation mail and proof of cancellation, each and everything. And once your application will done, you will receive your message. That's it. But keep in mind, when you are trying to cancel your application, you need to redeem your all the points and all, and you need to complete each and every inform, like loans and all, each and every information you should be neat and clean. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your NBT credit card. So hope you are getting my points. If yes, please hit a like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.